So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are combo charts in Power BI. So the combination chart is a visualization that combines the feature of bar chart and line chart. The combo chart displays the data using number of bars and lines, each of which represents a particular category. So for this tutorial, I have generated a combo chart. As you can see, this is basically a line and clustered column chart in which the line graph is showing sales trend and the bar graph is showing profit trend. So let's see how we can make this. So I will create a new page. Onto this page, we need to add the line and clustered column chart. So double click on this. I will make it slightly bigger. Now in the shared axis, I will put order date. And now since I want only month wise trend, I will remove year, quarter and day. Now in column values, I will put profit, and in line values, I will put sales. So as you guys can see, we have successfully created a combo chart. So in this way, we can create a combo chart in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.